Hi, this is Dima Brooks, CTO of XP.NETWORK, and today we're going to talk about the widget. So what is a widget? It's a tool that allows you to embed the bridge into your front-end application without coding a single line of code. Here you have the settings panel, which you can remove or bring back. You can switch between the day and the night modes, depending on what you prefer. And here are the settings that you can play with to set up the widget so that it matches your front-end application. For example, here you can see all the available blockchains that the bridge connects. But let's imagine a situation when you don't want all of the chains to be connected. For example, your application only wants to use a couple, for example, Ethereum and BNC. So you can unselect all, and as you can see, you have only two. Let's say you decided to add Polygon, and there you go. Polygon is a part of your bridge. Let's select all just for now, and let's see what happens with the wallets. Here you can bring all the wallets back. For example, you want to send from Elrond to IOTX, and you can see that Meyer wallet is available here. But let's say you don't want Beacon and Temple wallets, so let's just remove them like so, and they're not here. Let's bring them back, and they're back. Okay, so you can play with the chains and the wallets the way you like. Let's imagine that the background of your website is not white. So you can go to the background settings, and you can replace it with any color that you like to match the color of your website. If you don't want to guess the color, you can go to the CSS of your website and pick the hexadecimal or RGB value of the color and place it like here, like so. You can also change the color of the buttons. Let's change them to something crazy so that we clearly see that it has some effect. We can change the color of the text, the corner radius, and so on. We can also change the color of the borders. Let's say we want it to be something like golden, like this, for example, or if this color is not dark enough, let's make it darker, like so, for example. Finally, at the end, you get this code that you can embed in any front-end application. Let's copy it. And I've prepared an HTML page. Let's make an empty HTML page. Let's give it a different title. Let's say XP.NETWORK Bridge. And let's embed the iframe that we just created into the body of the HTML page, just as an example. Let's format the document to see more, and let's change the height to at least 800 pixels, because this is the best height for our widget. And now let's view the page with the live server, like so, and there we are. Here's our widget. Let's try get inside. For example, let's check BSC, and let's say, for example, we want to send it to Polygon. Let's get inside the bridge, and let's log in with MetaMask. Let's continue bridging, and here you go. So we haven't changed the color of the NFT cards, which we could do. So we can go back to the widget and fix it here. NFT cards. Let's also change them to something pinkish, like so, like this. Okay, let's copy it again. Let's replace this iframe with a new one. Let's format. Let's change the height for 800 pixels. Okay, and let's refresh the page. Let's refresh the page here. All right, let's go again. Let's check BSC. Let's say IOTX. Let's log in with a MetaMask. And let's check again. And here, the color of the NFT cards has changed as well. So as you can see, everything is completely adjustable. This widget works like a fully functional bridge, which you can integrate into your front-end application in a matter of minutes. Well, thanks for watching and stay tuned.